After reviewing the NAEYC health standards, it's important to know these standards because it ensures the safety of children and staff. It ensures proper growth and meets health and safety needs. It protects from accidents that could have been avoided with following the standards. And when an educator or facility is educated on these standards, it gives parents peace of mind because they know that the educator and the facility know what they're doing with their children. With this knowledge, I'm able to practice food safety, handle situations that might occur with children with allergies or illnesses. I can use healthy practices to help prevent the spread of virus and bacteria. These standards put information in place to educate in just about any form of health safety when it comes to children and the staff. I will use 2 strategies that stem from the NAEYC standards. I will use this standard to use an individual care/action plan to prevent putting a child's health in jeopardy. If I follow a strict meal plan as well as having them posted where they can be seen by others if I'm not in the classroom, the plan will be evaluated by the healthcare provider information, the parents, and myself, and then I will let the other staff in the facility know as well. We can prevent allergic reactions to foods if everybody is trained and educated on what the child can and cannot have. And it will be where it can be easily seen. That way, it will reduce any kind of exposure or mistakes. I will also have reminder charts on proper sanitizing, cleaning procedures. I'll have for like hand washing for the adults and the children. Children's will be more children friendly with like pictures. I will also have proper food prep storages and storage. And a list for my helpers to go through and see when the expiration dates or how long something can be out. After a child touches the food or drink, I will enforce just throwing it away instead of keeping, just to prevent the spread of bacteria or reintroducing to the bacteria to the same child, just in case their immune kind of got rid of it. I will also have proper classroom sanitizing schedule and the proper way of doing it.